You've cast on and now you're ready to start knitting. You're going to take your working needle, which is in your right hand, put it from front to back through that loop. Take the yarn and throw it around the right hand needle. Pull that loop up and off your left hand needle. Again, front to back through the loop. Throw your yarn around your right hand needle. Pull up and off. Front to back. Wrap. Up and off. And your yarn is behind your needles. So through, wrap. Keep your yarn loose. Lots of tail. Up and off the needle. Through, wrap, up and off. Through, wrap, up, off. Through, wrap, up, off. Try and keep the yarn loose. It'll help you when you get to your next row. Wrap, up, off. Through. That's why you want to keep your stitches loose. Wrap, up, off. Make sure you still have 10 stitches. The ones in front are going to be bumpy, and the ones in the back are going to be smooth. There you go. You've knit your first row.